All right, guys, we've got a massive 2022 Ford F-150 5.0 Coyote. Look at this beast. Massive wheels, really good looking truck all the way around. Anyways, what we got done on this beast. Still got the factory resonator, still got the factory converters there and there, still practically brand new. And then we cut the muffler off and put a BORLA Pro XS, part number 40349. There'll be a link in the description for it. There it is, right there. Then we ran two and a quarter tailpipes, mandrel bent there and there. And then put some black 4-inch rolled tips out the back to complete the look. Came out really clean, really beautiful. Check it out, guys. Really nice truck. There it is. And that's the muffler that was on it, and that's the tailpipe that was on it that we cut off. All right, then we always leave the resonator on it. Always do it in stages, guys, when you do this. Always leave the resonator on, start it up, make sure it's not too loud, or if it's not loud enough, you can take it off. But we always keep the resonator because it drones inside if you take it off. Right there, that resonator. So we always do it in stages. So when you go to your local muffler shop, tell them the same thing. Start with swapping out the muffler first, and then if it's not loud enough, then do resonator after. So here we go, guys. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Here we go, guys. 22 Ford F-150 Coyote 5.0. BORLA Pro XS. What do you think? That's what you want? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, sir. That's what he wanted. He didn't want it too loud, just a little bit of tone. And we delivered. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. 96.6 at peak. Keep the resonator on it? Keep it on there. Yes, sir. And you can always take it off later on. And this will break in, get about 10% louder in about 30 days. So okay. It'll even perfect it even more. Which is not, what's nice about BORLA is you hear it outside, not inside. You know, which is good for what you do, you know. In the road. Again? Good looking truck, man. I love the wheels on it. It's a nice setup. What do you guys think? Is it loud enough or does it need to be louder? Let us know in the comments. Should he take the resonator off or should he keep it on there? Let you guys hear it on the inside. '2022 F-150 BORLA Pro XS. Sexy truck. I like it. What do you guys think of the new body style on these F-150s? I like them. They just look mean. With the 5.0 Coyote, you cannot beat it. I like Ford for keeping the 5.0s. Perfect. Oh yeah. Perfect for a businessman. Enjoy, guys. Thank you.